That's better. Hi, and thank you for watching. So I purchased a couple things from Louis Vuitton and I want to share them with you. I'm really excited. I'm feeling really cozy because I just woke up from a nap. So that's great. Love it. Let's just get right into it. I will do this one first. It's smaller, it's closer. I did vlog a little bit of it, so I'll show you, but they only allowed a few people in the store at once, and then each group could be in there for 30 minutes. As soon as you go in, you just do hand sanitizer, and then they're still just as kind as ever. I really enjoy shopping at Louis Vuitton. I think that the associates are very kind. I always have a nice time. So this small bag right here, this actually is a gift for someone else, because today for you, tomorrow for me. Even though it was the same day, I just really wanted to quote Rent. Wait, what? So this is a small box. Oh, okay. So this is just the samples of their perfume that he gave me, which was very sweet. I have a perfume of choice, so I actually think I might end up giving this away too. I believe California Dream is their newest scent. This I actually think I'll just gift to someone special and lovely because that's always so fun to do. I don't love the neon, but it's okay. Luckily, these are really easy to open and close back up. I'll just present the gift like this, but I'll show you what's inside. This just slides open like this. Dust bag. This is the Dragon bag charm and key holder. This is in the monogram Eclipse, which I actually prefer. So this is like the monogram that's in the men's collection, but I love black and gray. Like my clothes are black and gray. My friend just purchased a new car and it's their birthday coming up. So what a great way to say hi. My dogs are barking. I really like small leather goods and little trinkets from Louis Vuitton. I think they're inexpensive and they just have that big luxury impact. I love them. So you can put this right back in. He won't even know that I opened it, except for all of the fingerprints that I just applied. Oh, jeez. Okay. So here's the box. Should I do it this way? I don't love this ribbon, but I think I'll live. Here is a little booklet. Can you guess what it is? I'll show you. This, oh yes. We have a moment. These are the Cherie pumps in 37.5. It is a pointed toe heel and there's black patent on the back. Let me read about these. With its sleek lines, stiletto heel, and pointed toe, the Cherie pump is a timelessly feminine style which is given a fresh twist by the combination of black patent calf leather and Louis Vuitton iconic monogram canvas. A rubber insert on the leather outsole ensures enhanced resistance to wear. 10 centimeters. 3.9-inch heel, but it's actually super comfortable. So these are my new favorite shoes. Look. I just want to make it in line though. Okay. Had to get my fix from there. Like this really. I'll do an unboxing soon. I will show you an unboxing when I get home. Actually, I think I'll film a different video because I don't have eyeliner on and I want to look glam. Either picture this shirt to be oversized like men's shirt or picture these to be like real pants. But I wanted to pair these because the back is shiny and then these pants also are shiny, but that's what I wanted to showcase really more than anything. I just love these shoes so much. I love them. They're so perfect. The heel height, everything. Oh, yes. Dark wash denim, black top, just looks so casual and so cute. It's like they're there, but they're not like in your face. They're so lovely. I love these. They look smart. They bring so much charm to the outfit, you know, but they're not in your face. I mean, they're monogram, but they're white muted, actually. It's not like there's a high contrast in the coloring, so it's not like, oh, look at me, look at me. But if you do look, I hope you like it. They're making a little bit squishy noises. Sound a little bit airy. When I tried these on in the store, I wore socks. I felt like Kendall Jenner at the Met Gala or wherever she was. I'm not sure. Pretty funny. And my sales associate was like, oh, sorry about the condition. He's like, otherwise I would help you. But that's like my pet peeve. I don't like when people try to put my shoes on, so it's quite all right. It's not even tacky with the monogram purse, in my opinion. I think that this looks still nice. I actually like this better than when people wear pops of color on their bags that match their shoes. You know, if you wear all neutral colors and then you have like your go-to pop of color, like pink bag and pink shoes, I actually like this a little bit better. How's the camera? I hope you guys can see the whole look. I don't want to cut the shoes off, but I love this. I love this look. Can you see it? Should I step over here, back here? You see it? I love this look. See, you can wear them smart even. You cannot go wrong with these. Wear these to the office. They're really understated. They're not in your face. They're not so... Ugh. I think these are the perfect shoes. You can wear these any which way. And they're so nice. I love that. I love versatile shoes. I don't want anything that I can only wear once. Just this heel height I think is like perfect too. So comfortable. Not scary or anything. I don't want to take these off. Even when I'm switching outfits, you don't understand. Like I am wanting to keep these on all day. And I will. I will walk around the house in these. These will be my new house slippers. And how tired have you grown of seeing me in these silly little shorts? These don't even have a spot in my closet. They are either on me or in the laundry because I just wear them all of the time. I wanted to see these shoes in a casual way to see if I love them, and I do. So that was worth trying on. This is the cutest outfit. The white and black combo. Sometimes I feel like I look a bit like a waiter of a restaurant. I'll live in this getup for the rest of the summer. Are you kidding me? This is what I'm talking about. This is what I think of when I think of summer, but I might wear the black button up instead. Maybe, maybe not. Options. But this is so cute. I just like the white. I think it's a little casual. I think there's a stain on it, but whatever. All right, guys, back to bed. I'm serious, but I'll go do dishes or something, or check my mail and watch TV, take the dogs for a walk, take out the trash, whatever else, whatever. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. That was my luxury unboxing. Very excited about my purchases. I always have the best time. No, none of these are necessities or anything like that. I just wanted to share this experience in case you do like luxury, which I'm thinking you do since you clicked on this video. If you want to see more from me, I do have a lot of other videos on my channel, so tune into those and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.